Hi everyone, my name is Justice Borden, and this is my newsletter of my international game. So the international game I chose was cricket, and the country of origin is England, Southeast England to be exact. So some brief history of cricket. The game was first founded in the 16th century, and it would be played in schools, on farms, anywhere else people could really play it. The sport progressed during the 18th century because the wealthy wanted to find a way to bet on it, and they ended up using it as a form of leisure activity. And the first international match was in 1877, and it was Australia versus Melbourne, in which Australia won. But this match was only considered a test because it was the first time players had a tournament that consisted of matches over the course of 5 days. And then later on in 1882, Australia would win again at the Oval in London. And at this point, people were upset in England, saying that Australia stole their sport, and that they made a joke about it in the headlines that the game was being cremated and the ashes were being sent to Australia. And so cricket is a bat and ball game between two teams of 11 players. And it's played on an oval field, consisting of a 22-yard pitch with wickets at each end. And these wickets have two bails balanced on the stumps. The batting side scores by striking the ball bowled at the wicket with the bat, while the bowling side tries to prevent this and dismiss each player so they're out. One way to get an out is by hitting the wickets down if you're on the field, and then another way is you need to catch the ball in the air before it hits the ground in order to be called out. And so here I posted a QR code to important dates, and I'll take you to that page. So this is a good timeline for some important dates of cricket. And then this one as well takes you to the USA Cricket homepage. And what I learned in this video, or from this assignment, was all about this new sport. I had never really learned a lot about it before, and I think that discovering international games is important because it helps you get a feel for the different types of games that other countries might have. And I think that's about it. Thank you.